here today I'll show how to remove related product from your product single page in your WoCoommerce website. So let's start how you can remove the related product. So to remove the related product, first you need to insert a small code snippet. So I have written a blog how to hide or remove the related product. Then I have written the instruction how you can do that. So first you need to log in your WordPress website, then you need to click on the theme editor, then edit the functions.php. so let's do that. Just go to the website and click on the theme editor. Then click on functions.php. After click on the functions.php, then you need to insert this small code. Just copy this and paste it here. So currently I am seeing the related product on my website. Then I have already insert the code snippet. Now I will update the file. Then refresh your website, refresh it. Okay, there has a cache problem. Just remove the cache. Also remove the cache from here. Okay, now we can see that the related product has been removed. So you can do this task with the inserting the small code snippet from here. Same task you can do with by installing a plugin. I have a plugin to remove the related product. So let's try it another way. Just removing the code snippet. Okay, update it, then remove the cache, refresh. Okay, related product get back again. Now I will try to remove the related product by installing a plugin. So we have a plugin to remove the related product whose name is Unlimited Theme Add-ons. I have already installed this plugin. Just you need to install this plugin by clicking add new plugin, and you can search the plugin from here, Unlimited Theme Add-ons. Okay, this is the plugin. I have already installed it. Now after you install the plugin, you can see the theme option here and theme add-ons. If you click on the theme add-ons, then you can see the some widget enable disable option, and click on the add-ons, then enable the WC hide related product, then save change. Okay, it has been saved. Then remove the cache, then refresh. Okay, you can see that related product has been removed. I have shown you the first way to insert a small code snippet, or insert a small code to remove the related product, and the second way I have shown to you how to install a new plugin, or how to remove the related product by installing a plugin. So that was the tutorial for today. Thank you very much.